Well, hello everyone. Please excuse my hair. It's in a terrible mess today because I've been trying on my hats. I'm delighted to say that I'm looking forward so much to the weekend. On Saturday, my young nephew, Howard, is getting married to the most delightful young lady, Olivia, and we've been invited to the wedding. Now, looking at the hats I have in the wardrobe, I don't think any of them are good enough for a wedding, and I'm really at my wit's end because I haven't got the money to spend on a new one. The prices of hats, because they haven't been rationed, have absolutely shot up, and I just haven't the spare pennies for a new one. But I have been reading in my magazine about how to remodel some old hats to make them a bit more fashionable and up to date. And I found this old cloche hat look. It's going to ruin my hair, but an old cloche hat stuffed away in the bottom of the wardrobe. And following the instructions, I thought, I'm going to have a go at making something from this. And the instructions tell you that what you need to do, you need a hot iron and a damp tea towel. Now I'm going to do this properly in a minute, but I just wanted to show you the basic idea is to turn the hat sort of inside out so that instead of that big crown, you've only got a much smaller crown. Turn the brim up, and with a little bit of moulding you can get a very interesting new shape. Look. High hats are apparently really in this season, and the article suggests that you adorn your newly shaped hat with either a tassel, a brightly coloured tassel, or a corsage, or some felt flowers. Now I have got this little bit of wire work, a kit that I bought to while away those worrying hours in the shelter, and I'm going to use that on my hat. It's a pity you can't get them anymore because of the shortage of metal, because I did like making them. Look how it goes on the shape of this new hat. Well, I'll have a go at putting it on something like that. I think that will look fine with my blue and white dress and my blue jacket. I'm sure it'll do. I'm also very happy to have been able to get hold of a good luck horseshoe for Olivia and Howard. Another item that's practically unavailable at the moment. I found this in the Red Cross second-hand shop. I did have to pay a lot for it, but it's worth it to be able to present that to Olivia on Saturday. Well, she won't be wearing white on Saturday. She's purchased instead a new smart costume. What a practical girl she is, because of course she'll be able to use that to wear to work and look smart on other occasions instead of just wearing it for that one special day. Now all her family helped her with her coupons. Now poor Howard, we haven't been able to find enough coupons for him to have a new suit, but he's hiring one instead, so he'll look very smart too. Now some of the family are contributing ingredients to both Howard and Olivia's mother, but I offered to make a dish myself. So in a couple of days I'm going to prepare this delicious dish to serve at the wedding breakfast. It's called Jellied Savouries, and again it's from one of my women's magazines. But for now I'm going to finish altering this new uniform I have. I'll be telling you more about that in another film later on.
the wedding of the painted doll. It's a jolly day, the news is spreading all around the hall. Red Riding Hood and Buster Brown, the jumping Jack, jumping to town. From far and near, they're coming here. Church bells ringing, ringing. All the little dollies from the pollies with their painted cheeks. Little Mama Doll has passed around for weeks and weeks. Shoe the blues, no time to lose. Rise and shoes will spread the news that it's a holiday. Today's the wedding of the little painted doll.